Hi guys, welcome back to Adder's RC Garage. Today we are over at my in-laws. He got a new RC, so we're coming over here to check it out. So this is his brand new Outcast from Arrma. It's a 6S version, nice big truck, really comparable to my Revo. A little bit shorter, but sits a lot taller. This thing really is a fairly sharp truck. It looks a lot like Zane's Infraction. Looks almost like the same body, to be honest. Looks like they just threw a wing on it and a roll cage on the back here. But this thing is a monster. So we'll pop the body off here real quick. Inside this 6S Outcast, we are running the Spectrum batteries. He's got two 3S batteries, so adds up to the 6S. It's got a Arrma 150 amp ESC in there. Just monster for a factory ESC, pretty awesome. And it's got a Arrma Spectrum 2050 kV motor designed for that 6S. This one was pretty neat. We ended up choosing this one, or he chose this one specifically, because it already came with a bunch of the red iodized aluminum parts. Even the notorious arms that like to break on the knuckles have been swapped over to metal or aluminum with this red iodized. Even the servo mount has the aluminum servo mount. So this thing they were selling at the same price as a normal Outcast. All the aluminum parts, all plastic basically, and it just made more sense. Buy the one that already has the upgrades. So another neat, cool feature I don't see on many monster trucks or bashers is this actually has a sway bar on it. Sway bar front and a sway bar on the rear. Pretty neat. Also, nice thing they do. I wish Traxxas would do this on more of their vehicles. I knew their new Revo, I think, comes with it from the out of the box, but these nice heavy-duty steel drive shafts with the dog bone. It seems to just be a really good, I mean, the cups wear out and everything, but it's one of those things that they just work. Yes, they wear out, but they do just work. Very good looking. He has already ran it some. He said he did break the wing off almost instantly, popped a wheelie and stripped out the threads. So this one isn't going, it's holding, but he said it comes out pretty easily. So we got the batteries charged up. We're gonna get some footage of this thing out ripping. Landed it. Landed it, destroyed the ramp, but oh, there's the wing. Well, one screw's gone. It jumps really good. Stays really nice and level. Yeah. Right. As long as the ramp holds up. Nice. Yeah, we gotta hit the ramp first. I think, yeah, we're gonna set this up. Try and get you maximum height. All right, backflip attempt. Got this controller set to maximum berries. Got the controller on maximum berries. I'm 75, okay. Nope. I think our ramp doesn't kick, I don't think our ramp's kicking the front end up enough. Whoop. Don't just bash. Nope. These tires don't really balloon either, which it's part of what helps you rotate around. But yeah, I think I know, but I didn't have the camera on. Oh, we broke the bucket. All right, let's try that again. We're trying a backflip. This time, with the controller actually set to 100%. It was only at 50 when we thought we had it at 75. Let's try 100. Got a big ramp. So you just picked the front wheels up before you even hit the ramp.
I tried to fucking give it a little more goose to go up, you know what I mean?
Yeah. All right, let's see. Yeah, backflip. Definitely needed all those berries. I definitely needed all the beans on that one. The bucket said no more. Guess you'll need a new bucket. There's a tire. Let's see if we can get some more angle.
There's actually a whole bunch of tires over there.
All right, here's our new ramp. Not as high, but we should be able to get some good distance. Attempt number 2. Oh! Ugh. Oh, that poor wing. That one screw might be the trick. You just leave one screw on so it can pivot. Yeah, you don't upgrade your parts, you just leave them out. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go for more height. All right, new ramp design. A couple tires and board. I would say it makes it up and over at least. Kick that board right out. But there we go. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have to take it to a skate park. 100%. Oh man, that was high. No backflip, but that was easy up above my head. There's a backflip. That's one way to do it. It's almost too steep at this point. Yeah. Ooh, that crunch was the ramp. That crunch was the ramp. No, we just gotta flip it over. We'll just flip it over. It'll be all right.
Back at 50.
All right, back at 50, so we ain't gonna break stuff. I think our ramp's done. Yeah. On the plus side, the car held up better than the ramp.
This thing's just a wheelie monster. Oh, stay away from the rock. Oh, right into the rock. Alright. Alright guys, I hope you like that. I think I'm gonna see if he'll let me have a turn at it, but make sure you guys like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next week.